What's up, everybody? Groggy D. I've got triggered 12 shots. I believe this is by Sky King, one of their brands. This little hyperactive dog monster is what I woke up to for many months in my bedroom, looking at me, telling me to light it. But I wouldn't, not until 4th of July, which I did. And I'm glad I did because it has some very nice mine effects with all kinds of crackling mines and color mines, beautiful blue mines, also some amazing breaks with palms and variety of stuff, including lace, nicely paste cake. It isn't too long. Check it out. 500 gram, triggered, Groggy D.